Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your own music on Snapchat. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. When the app is opened, all you have to do is start shooting a video. I'll just quickly record a video. And then on the right hand side you will see a music icon. Tap on that. And on the right hand side you will see an option My Sounds. Tap on that. And here you will see the option Create Sound. Now all you have to do is long press on the record button and start speaking, and that is how you can add your own music. When you are done, you have to leave the record button. And now if you want to make this sound public, then you can enable this option. I'll just keep it private. You have to give it a sound name. I'll just give it the title My Song and then tap on Save Sound. And then tap on Send to on bottom right corner. And then I'll just share it to my story. And that is how you can add your own music on Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.